Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete, beginner-friendly guide on how to create website mockups inside Figma, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your website designs to life in a realistic 3D-style mockup, ready to show off to clients, your portfolio, or team members. Let's jump right in and make your designs stand out. So let's start with your website. Maybe you've just finished designing a new homepage, or perhaps you're working on a fresh layout for a client. Either way, you'll want to have your website design open right there in Figma, ready to go. It doesn't need to be the final draft, just something you'd like to visualize as a mockup. Think of this as preparing your artwork before putting it in a frame. This is what we're going to be showcasing. Next, we're going to make use of some powerful Figma features. Look towards the center bottom of your Figma workspace. That's where you'll find the Actions button. It can be easy to miss if you haven't used it much, but it's basically your gateway to a ton of extra tools and plugins that help make Figma even more versatile. Go ahead and click on Actions, and from there select Plugins and Widgets. Now in the search bar, type in Clay Mockups 3D. If you haven't explored plugins much before, don't worry. They're kind of like little apps that boost what Figma can do, and this particular one is perfect for generating stunning 3D device mockups with just a couple of clicks. When you see Clay Mockups 3D pop up in the results, hit Open. Once the plugin is launched, you'll be greeted with a few options. Here comes the fun part. Click on the Website Design option. What this does is it takes your selected frame or website design and places it onto a super clean 3D rendered device. If you think about it, it's kind of like putting your artwork in a digital photo studio, where everything looks polished and ready for presentation. At this stage, feel free to play around a bit. The plugin gives you several ways to customize the look of your mockup so it fits your own style or the branding you're aiming for. You can adjust the device's rotation, which basically spins the device around, letting you choose the angle that best shows off your work. Similarly, you can tweak the camera rotation, shifting the viewer's perspective to really hone in on your favorite angle. If you're going for a specific aesthetic, you can even change the color of the device itself, maybe a sleek black for a modern look or a crisp white for something a little more minimalist. Take a moment with this step. Sometimes finding the right presentation takes a bit of experimentation, but that's half the fun, and it makes a big difference when you share the result with others. Once you're happy with how everything looks, all that's left to do is click on Save as Image. The plugin will generate a high-quality image file of your mockup, which you can then download and use wherever you like, on your portfolio website, in client presentations, or just to share on social media with your followers. And that's really it. You've just turned a flat website design into a professional-grade 3D mockup, all within Figma, and you're ready to impress. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or want tips on anything else in Figma, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.